Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So what I wanted to do today is just a quick Boxycharm reveal that we received today. I've had mine for a couple of days. I've not touched any of the products or anything. So this is what it looks like. Normally it's in a box, but I've already taken everything out just to make it easier. So I'm just going to be telling you what we got in the box and how much it was. So now the first thing that we received was the Alamar eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. It's very, very pretty. This was designed by Gabby MUA. She is a makeup artist. She usually does Kathleen Light's makeup quite often, and also she works for Boxycharm. Now this is the box. It's very, very pretty. You can throw the back of it back. This retails for $28. The next one that we received is a Agente Blue eyeliner pencil. This is in the color 903 Dark Brown. It looks like that. It's just a pencil, like a sharpener pencil that you have to use. This is $5. It's 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner. It's supposed to be waterproof. Then we did receive 3 brushes from Lexi. They were very, very pretty. They have the pink handle on them. These retail for $42. Now this one is the 522 tapered highlighter brush. This is the Lexi 660 precision foundation brush. This is the tapered, oh my bad, it's the 516 duo fiber powder brush. It's very pretty. Then the next thing that we got was a Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in the color Verona. This retails for $21. I will be using these in another get ready with me video, so I will be using all of these items in the next video that I create. That's why I'm not swatching them or anything like that. This is the Sol de Janeiro fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other. This is really good. It says love it, flaunt it, you've got it. This is what it looks like. This is the Brazilian Boom Boom or Bum Bum cream. It just however you pronounce it. That's what it looks like on the inside. It has not been used. It does smell amazing. Now this is a sample size. This is not the full size, and I could not find this on Sephora, so I'm not sure how much the bigger size uses. But I didn't even look at Ulta. I looked there. I will leave it linked in the description box of how much it is. This one is $10. And then last but not least, we did receive eyelashes, and I'm very excited about this. This is the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes from Batting Lashes. The box is so super cute. I really like it. So the way that you open it is right here. If I can get it open. Ah, there they are. See, super, super cute. Very fluffy and light. Now I've not used these as well, but I'm really excited too. Now these are $28. And they enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Really, really excited. So that was all that we have received in our Boxycharm. Again, I will be doing a video applying all of this. Hopefully I will be moved into my new studio, because right now I'm in my makeup room filming, but I will have a new filming studio hopefully within the next week or so. So I might wait until actually to do that, to where I have more room and stuff, and better lighting in there, because right now, like I said, I'm just in my makeup room. It's a very small, tight space, so I might just wait till I moved into my new makeup studio in order to do all this. And I really don't have time to do it today because I've got to go get my nails done, my eyebrows done. And if anybody knows that once you get your makeup on and then they wax your eyebrows, it's not cute. So that's why I'm not doing anything today. So, Boxycharm is a $21 subscription box. If I'm not mistaken, everything was over $130 altogether for all of this. So it's worth every penny of it. I mean, even the liquid lipstick, you would pay $21 just for this. And then you've got this, you've received this, the Bum Bum Cream, the 3 brushes, the eyeliner, and then this. All for $21. And this is $28. The brushes are $48. And I mean, honestly, it's a win-win. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I do appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next one.